Develop a scalable training method. The team will leverage AI systems to assist evaluation of other AI systems on difficult tasks that humans can't supervise. This is called scalable oversight. The team will also try to understand and control how their models generalize from easy tasks that humans can supervise to hard tasks that humans can't. This is called generalization. Validate the resulting model. The team will automate search for problematic behavior and problematic internals of their models. This is called robustness and automated interpretability. The team will also test their models in worst-case situations and confirm that they are aligned. Let's test the entire alignment pipeline. The team will deliberately train misaligned models and see if their techniques can detect the worst kinds of misalignments. This is called adversarial testing. Repeat the process.